Hi everyone, this is Kristen. Welcome to Module 2, which will run from June 1st through June 14th. I want to first start with acknowledging the horrific murder of George Floyd and the injustice that continues to pervade this country and has since its inception. I think that this one event, which is one of many, brings to light the importance of anti-bias education, and in particular in early childhood classrooms. I'm going to continue to post resources on our EduCat page that are related to talking about these topics in early childhood classrooms. There are also resources out there for books that we can use in our classrooms to talk about racism. I will also include podcasts and other information that I come into contact with. But I also want to open this up and invite all of you to also feel free to submit resources that you're familiar with, and I encourage you to do so. So in this module, we're going to be focusing on how to develop a family engagement approach to anti-bias early childhood education. And in this particular module, you're going to be constructing a demographic profile, and you'll have the choice of whether or not you want to construct a demographic profile for your entire school or just your own classroom. And the purpose of this task is to collect data that will help you think about the history of parent or caretaker involvement in your particular school or classroom, and to be able to pinpoint particular issues that may be preventing some families from being engaged in the school or your classroom in particular. So there are three main tasks to complete for Module 2. One is to continue with the annotated bibliography. So please use the same document that you submitted for Module 1 and just continue to add your annotations. There are 4 separate readings for Module 2, so there should be 4 separate annotations for this module. You also have the demographic profile and the written analysis, and then your chat group synthesis notes. There are a few of you that I think forgot to go back in and complete the APA quiz until you received 100%. So even though that was due in Module 1 by May 29th, if you did not receive 100% and you did not go in and take the quiz until you received 100%, please do that during Module 2 because that is worth 25 points of your final grade. The course reading schedule is posted in the syllabus on page 11, so you can see for Module 2 that you'll be reading Chapter 2 from one text, and then you'll also be reading Chapters 3 and 4 from the anti-bias education text, and then you'll be reading whatever case scenario your group chose for Module 2. So that adds up to 4 separate entries. There's an optional short video that's only about 3 minutes, and it's a great video that discusses all of the skills that children learn, mathematical skills that children learn through play. And I encourage you to watch it if you have the time, because you will be creating a screencast-o-matic video for families either in your classroom or your school later in the semester. Next, I've added a menu of options for you to choose from to complete fieldwork hours for the course, because so many of you, I think all of you, are not able to get into an early childhood center. I will create another video for that and upload it, but please be aware that I did post that this week. Those are not due until the end of the semester, until August 7th, I believe. But I wanted to post it early so you have the semester to work on it. Finally, all things considered, it's a horrible time in our country right now, but I hope that you have a great week. Stay strong, stay active, stay involved, and most importantly, make sure that you are listening to the news, and that you are doing what you can to make a difference. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, I look forward to reading all of your work from the last module. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.